The Maruti Suzuki Victoris is a car that's designed for young Indians at its heart. And living in Mumbai teaches you one thing. If your car can't keep up with the rhythm, it slows you down. The Victoris fits right into my world. Clean design, confident presence, nothing loud, yet impossible to miss. Today, I've decided to break away from the madness of the city as I'm itching for some adventure. And the first stop on the list is Alibag. The Ro-Ro ferry is the ultimate time-saving way to get to Alibag. It's quite an efficient way to get there. Just like this ferry, this Victoris Hybrid is a super efficient way to get to all my destinations. Keeping me company on this journey is the brilliant speakers from Infinity by Harman that also come with Dolby Atmos support. Perfect for any occasion. I'm going on a long journey and I also want to test how efficient the Victoris Hybrid really is. Setting the trip meter to 0 and let's see at the end what it really comes out to be. Alibag is the perfect getaway for everyone in Mumbai. Not too far and quite secluded for it to be a quaint place. I'm not here looking for some quiet time. I'm here for some adventure. So the first order of business is parasailing. It's a fun activity that gets your adrenaline pumped up to the max. An adventure fitting for young Indians. Safety is very important in parasailing and you wearing the right gear is paramount. And the Victoris also understands safety, that's why it offers you 6 airbags, ESC, ABS, level 2 ADAS and a 5-star safety rating which are perfect for keeping you safe on any occasion. What's the point of coming to Alibag if I can't have some delicious fish? So let me just go in and gorge on them. The surmai thali I had was simple but brilliant. Just the right amount of spicy and so flavorful. Okay, so parasailing done, lunch gorged upon, and it's now time for some more adventure with the Maruti Suzuki Victoris. Long drives tell you a lot about the car, how it behaves, what's in store and what feels perfect. The Victoris feels like a dream. It's quiet in EV mode, it has more than enough power for you to have fun on the highways and it's composed regardless of whatever terrain you throw at it. The Victoris is so relaxing to drive that I kept on going on the highway. No maps, no ETAs, no navigation, just blissful driving. I knew the direction I needed to head towards, but I lost track of time and didn't even realize when the sun set. Well, you must be wondering what is my next activity now? Well, it was getting back from Alibag all the way to my home in Mulund, which is the suburbs in Mumbai, managing the horrible traffic. But I have been enjoying driving this car for so long that I just completely lost track of time. The Victoris has been the perfect companion. After a full day of fun, I can relax in the Victoris and not feel exhausted. Throughout this entire journey, the Victoris has been nothing short of stellar. Even in this bumper-to-bumper traffic that I got on my way back home, I am not feeling tired at all. All thanks to the ventilated seats that you get with the new Victoris. And helping me navigate all that traffic was this crisp and clear 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen that has just the right amount of sharpness and clarity to make my life very easy. And now that I'm coming towards the end of my trip, it's time to check how well the hybrid powertrain has actually done. Time for some maths. While the claim efficiency of the Victoris is around 28 kilometers per litre, we have seen real-world numbers upwards of 21 kilometers per litre. Managing Mumbai traffic is not an easy job, to be very honest, but the Victoris made it seem like a walk in the park. It just slid past the traffic without even breaking a sweat. You know what? Challenge is never easy, and only those worthy are the ones that triumph. Just like that, the Maruti Suzuki Victoris clinched the 2026 Indian Car of the Year title by making it very easy and being the victor, pun intended.